Hey guys, the brand sent me a free one of these meat thermometers so I can check it out and create this video. I want to show you how well it works and how easy it is to use. Now the first thing about this is it turns on right away. You can just simply flip up. You can see here the large LCD screen turns on. Over here it's got a guide that's going to tell you at what temperature your meat is done. You can also switch between Celsius and Fahrenheit by pressing this button here. But of course, the best part about this is the accuracy. So let's take it outside, stick it in some meat, and see how it works. Now you can see here how quickly and effectively this thermometer takes the temperature of this meat. Sticking it right in, you can see the readout, nice and clear, accurate, and you'll know exactly when your food is done. So it works great, it's easy to use. You can replace the battery back over here, and I would definitely recommend this for anyone who wants a meat thermometer that's accurate, easy to use, and works great.